What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today, we are going to be talking about the Black Stone. Now, this is a shorter one, so yeah. So before we begin, I just want to ask you guys, and why do I look burnt? It's probably the lighting, but like also I'm like so red right now, but like I was just wondering, what's your favorite um v- type of video on this channel? Is it the scary urban legends? Is it the paranormal games? Because I've been loving making those videos lately, even though I've only done two so far. Um, Recently I've done more, just two since I've come back. I think the I remember like a couple years ago we did the Answer Man game, and that was probably that one is so creepy. If you haven't seen that one, go check it out. Like, look it up. It was like so creepy. But without further ado, let's get into today's story. When I was young, my parents rented a cabin in the woods. We would go there on weekends to spend some time in the wilderness. My brothers and I loved to explore. There was a dirt road that ran past the cabin, and at the end of the road, there was a small graveyard. It was surrounded by an iron fence with spikes on the top. The gate was locked with a rusty chain and padlock, but we were able to pull the bars apart and squeeze through. The gravestones were very old and worn. On top of one of the graves, excuse me, there was a smooth black stone. It looked like onyx, and when we were leaving, my older brother took it and put it in his pocket. That night we were sleeping in the cabin. My parents slept in the bedroom, and my brothers and I slept in the living room. All of a sudden, in the middle of the night, we heard a loud banging at the front door. Bang, bang, bang. We were scared out of our wits. Bang, bang, bang. The door was shaking. It sounded like someone was trying to knock it off the hinges. My dad emerged from the bedroom and asked what was going on. Bang, bang, bang. When he saw the looks on our faces, he knew we had no idea. Bang, bang, bang. My dad grabbed an axe and walked over to the front door. He looked as scared as we are. He raised the axe and opened the door. There was nothing out there. The banging had stopped, and the night was black and silent. After we calmed down, we went back to bed. But none of us were able to get much sleep. The next day, when we went back to the graveyard, the smooth black stone that my brother had taken was sitting on top of the same grave. As soon as we saw that, we ran away and never went back. And that is the story that we are going to final story. Um, yeah. But anyways, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.